What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you a really cool tool that I didn't know existed. I'll be honest, I did not know it existed. My girlfriend actually found it, showed it to me, and has been really liking it. She's been using it. Well, actually, she's going to join me in this video to show you how she's been using it. And I think this has a lot of potential for print on demand. Also, I think I have another way in mind that you can use this to make some easy money. So that's what I'm going to be talking about in this video. Let's get started. Real quick reminder, I run a weekly print-on-demand giveaway you can enter completely free this week. 2 lucky winners are announced every Sunday. This week is sponsored by Flying Research, print-on-demand research tools, AutomatePOD, print-on-demand design, creation, automation, and All-American Graphics, premium Premade graphics. Link in the description. Also in the description, there's a link to my 8-day print-on-demand mini course delivered via email and my print-on-demand Facebook community if you guys would like to join. All right, let me show you Cartoonize. Actually, they renamed it. It's now called Color Cinch.
Hey guys, I am Mary J and I am here on Ryan's channel today, and today we're going to be teaching you guys how to cartoonize certain pictures or objects that you would like, whether for print on demand or for other uses. So we'll go ahead and jump in. Today we are using the program Cartoonizer or Cartoonize.
Yeah, there'll be a link in the description. Also, real quick, show her some love on YouTube. I'll put a link in the description to her channel. We do talk some print on demand, and then you do some other stuff there too.
Yes, so the process is super simple. All you're going to do is open up the app. It starts off looking like this with select a photo to get started. So Ryan, will you select a photo? We're going to choose one of our dogs. Alrighty, yes.
Tell them the backstory of why we're even using this photo.
So I came up with this idea just because I decided to cartoonize my dog and put him on a logo for a product that I'm creating, dog ice cream.
Amazon FBA, guys. Shout out to the FBA course.
Yes, I'll be needing to take that soon. So it's super simple. They only have like a couple of options over here of different things you can do. Now, I'm sure there's more than what I do, so I just click on this little magic wand thing, then I go to the Cartoonizer, and then you've got several different styles of cartoons. Particularly, this one right here tends to be my favorite.
Which one is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
They usually have labels on them, so I'm shocked that it doesn't. This one's like X001, and then it goes all the way up. This one being like 15 for whatever reason. Now, let's go ahead and try that. So
there we go. Now it says it.
Yeah, FX001.
So do you need to? Okay, good.
You just click on it and it will start to apply. It does take a second or two to fully render, but the quality that it comes out in is actually really good.
Because yeah, the photo we used isn't even that great in my mind. It's not like that crystal clear or anything like that. It's a standard like Google Pixel photo that didn't really focus perfectly.
Yeah.
And it still came out really well. Like, how many of these have you tried out on Pablo?
Probably like 20. Like 20.
That's why I had to bring her in, because she's the expert right now. See, it even like, it's weird because it brightens it, right?
It did in this case, and in some of the other cases it didn't so much. So I don't know why this picture turned out to come out so well. And we can go ahead and try one of the other ones. And you can sit here also and go down until it becomes the real picture. So you can cartoonize it to different levels. Let's go ahead and try the...
Click a weird one.
A weird one. Okay, which one?
Number 2.
Number 2? This one?
Yeah.
I haven't tried this one yet.
Wait, so... click again. Click again. Yeah, so we're thinking, or she's thinking of using Pablo's head, and you can see he's a long hair micro chihuahua, so like he's got a million little hairs, and she like cut out every single little hair to get like a PNG of his face. But sneak preview, I am planning on using it in my Printful review video where we're going to review some products as well. So if that comes through.
Yeah.
I already showed you the product.
Yeah, you did.
With Pablo's face on it. Yeah, he is downstairs. We were going to bring him on, but
he was all over the place.
Yeah.
He's a little crazy man.
He hasn't eaten his dinner yet, so.
You know, and like the amazing part to me was like this picture's really messy. It's got so many different colors, so many different textures in the background. Like I only took this picture to send to my colleague, quite honestly. But it does like pretty defined lines. I do have to say it's good with that.
And I realized it's got Boo Boo and Murphy in it.
Yes, and it's got my 2 other dogs. Ah!
Okay, so they're not all perfect.
No. But I prefer... Let's see what 15 is. I forget my two favorites are truly FX001 and FX015. Yeah.
All right, so what do you think here? That looks pretty similar.
Yeah, it does. Now, something I did notice about some of these filters is like they'll start to like add on like a blue sparkle over there and a pink sparkle and this weird yellow blob right there. Fortunately, I was only using the head, so I was able to maneuver around it, and I'm sure you would be able to. And FX001 doesn't really do that too much.
Yeah, it looked more natural. This one looks more
Cartoony.
Blurred, you know, blotched.
Yeah.
Blotchy. But Pablo still looks cute.
He looks so cute. It's making me miss him.
All right, well, you can go down and say hello to him. But thank you for showing us this. And yeah, let me show you additional ways that I think we can make money using this software. Thanks again to Mary J's Halls for joining me for that tutorial. If you want to check out her YouTube channel, we've been doing an Amazon merch series over there showing as transparent as possible how we scaled up her account from tier 10 to 25 to 100. She's now tier 500 eligible with I think 150 or 160 sales, and she's been making some nice royalties on each sale, and she's been making daily sales. So if you want to check that out, link in the description. We may also start doing Etsy print on demand content. And speaking of Etsy, I mentioned I'd show you another way I think you can use this app to make money, that you can use Color Cinch to make money. So I think there's potential to create an Etsy gig and cartoonize people's photos. I mean, heck, we love this thing. This app is awesome. And I'm sure other people that have dogs, or I mean, it's not restricted to just your animals. I just thought, you know, dogs are low-hanging fruit. We know people love their dogs. But like you could cartoonize any type of photo. And it's so, I mean, we just showed you how easy it is. Like drag, drop, click 2 buttons, and you're done. So, you know, and charge whatever amount of money you feel is necessary to make it worth your time. And I'm just showing you like how I would advertise this listing on Etsy if I was going to do it. So feel free to put banners on there, anything to convey the information quickly, also capture people's attention. You don't want it to be too busy. These are just my ideas for how I would do it. Maybe do something like this. Now, see, the primary thumbnail is the most important, so that's why right here, this is what I would do, something like this, and make sure that Cartoonize is in there, in the thumbnail. And then, you know, make sure people get it. Again, most people don't read the words. They read with the images. That's true not just on Etsy, but on Amazon, eBay, Walmart, wherever you're selling, it's true. So here I did a before and after so they can see like how cool this is. By the way, the people buying this don't know how simple it is to do this. You know, they don't know that it's going to cost them more to pay you to do it than it would for them to just get a subscription to. But this is, you know, this is the way the world works. People will happily, if you give them a good final product, they'll happily pay whatever the price is that you charge, you know, assuming they like the final product. But I mean, I like this one. So you see the before after here. You can even take it a step further. Who saw this one coming? I know a few of you guys probably did. Offer it on print on demand products. It's an upsell. Now, again, this would probably require me to do some communication with the buyer. But if you wanted to, you could also like customize your Etsy listing and put this in as an option, like in the checkout. You can say Cartoonize plus t-shirt, Cartoonize plus sweatshirt, Cartoonize plus sticker, etc. Just put something in the description. You know, and I mean, Etsy, what's nice about Etsy, it's good and bad. It's double-edged for sure. But it's very easy to communicate with your buyers on Etsy. So sometimes that means you communicate more, which eats up more of your time doing customer service. But it also then makes it easier to do things like this, thinking outside the box. Hey, not only did we cartoonize your graphic of your dog, but then we can put it on your product of choice. So definitely some room to make some nice money here. And hey guys, you already know. I always preach, occupy more online real estate. So if money is this easy to make, why not then create an eBay listing and a Fiverr listing? I mean, it doesn't take that long to do. And once it's done, it just sits there. And if somebody pays you, how long does it take to fulfill the order? A couple minutes? So that's just me thinking outside the box. Wanted to share that in this video, guys. Thank you for watching till the end. Quick reminder, I do have a full print on demand course. If you're like, hey, I actually think this sounds like a good idea. How do I execute it? Well, this course will teach you all of that and then much, much more. It's basically, I mean, it covers the full spectrum of how I make 6-figure sales in just print on demand sales every single year. So there's a link in the description for that. Thank you for watching, guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you tomorrow.